Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Starting in the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, beneficial, the King of the King and King of entire universe. This is Abu Sharaf from Bishar Model Boys 3. I hope that you are all fine and feeling well. The topic today I'm going to discuss with the students, that is how to write an application application to the school principal for a recreational trip to a historical place. Historical place. First of all, we have to know the starting of an application, how to start an application through board point of view. First of all, we have to start with from the red margin line, that the principal, you have to be very much careful regarding capitalization and punctuation and all those things. The principal, A, B, C, school, Peshawar. Here, after that, there should be subject. Subject is very much necessary. Subject is very much necessary. Okay, what is subject? Recreational trip to a historical place. After that, you have to write down madam or comma. So you have to be very much careful regarding punctuation and capitalization. They are very much necessary for an application. Okay, after that, I'm gonna give you some hints regarding how to start. What is the starting point? Look, you can start from with due respect. You can start from respectfully. You can start from with great love. You can start from most respectfully. And so on. These are 4 to 5 points that you can start an application from, like with due respect, with great love, most respectfully. It is stated that. Up to here, everyone's application should be the same. Like, for example, the principal, ABC school, Peshawar, and then subject for a recreational. For example, a topic is for a recreational trip to a historical place. So you can write for up to here, everyone's, application should be the same. Then if you come to the, body, with due respect, respectfully, with great love, most respectfully, it is stated that you should come to the body that I want to say that our class wants to visit a historical place. Directly, you can start from that a historical place. It helps us to know about history of our country. So please allow our class to visit a historical place. One reason is that, like, directly you can start from after that with great respect or with due respect. It is stated that our class wants to visit a historical place. To visit a historical place. Directly you can start from here as well. To visit a historical place. One, reason. It helps us to know about the history of our country and so on. So please allow our class to visit a historical place. The second one, that you can give a reason that yesterday in our Pak study class, our teacher taught us about Peshawar Museum. Peshawar Museum. That is the second reason that our teacher taught us about Peshawar Museum. So you can request to the principal that yesterday our class teacher, our Pak study teacher taught us about Peshawar Museum. Now we want to know more about Peshawar Museum. So it is a historical place. So it is requested to kindly allow us to go to Peshawar Museum and to get more information about Peshawar Museum because it is a historical place. The third one about a historical place about Taxila. Because there we have some historical places and so on. So it is all about, the body of an application. Look, you can start from like that. I'm going to tell you verbally that with due respect it is stated that, for example, if you talk about the first reason, the point that to visit a historical place, that with due respect it is stated that we are the student of class 9th. You can write like that because we are the student of class 9th. We class 9 students want to say that our class wants to visit a historical place. It helps us to know about history of our country. So please allow our class to visit a historical place. Therefore, you are requested to kindly allow us to visit a historical place. You can say like that. You can write like that. Or the second one, that our class teacher taught us about Peshawar Museum. So, with due respect, it is stated that, respectfully, it is stated that yesterday our class study teacher taught us about Peshawar Museum. Therefore, you are requested to kindly arrange a tour, a trip to a historical place like Peshawar Museum to get more information regarding Peshawar Museum. And as well as the Taxila, if we talk about the Taxila, so same is the case here. Okay, one thing more about application that there we have, suppose if your application is up to the mark related to the material and everything, so you can just write down thanking you. If you are lacking time, just write down thanking you in the middle of the line when you finish the application, and if you know that application is up to the mark, so just thanking you is enough. But if you know that I have enough time and the application is not up to the mark, it is not this much lengthy, so you can write down that I shall be very thankful to you. That is also because those two give the same meaning. So you can write down one. Or whether thanking you or I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. You can also write that down. If you come to the conclusion, to the ending, so look, usually students make a mistake that they put apostrophe over here. So there is no apostrophe over here. Yours obediently, X, Y, and Z. And now here we have to write down dated. So people, students usually make such kind of mistakes. So you are not supposed to put any apostrophe here. Because if here we have adverb, so with adverb we are not supposed to put, yours. We are not supposed to write yours. We have to write your. So I hope you got the point and you have learned how to write an application to the principal, the student, for a recreational trip to a historical place. Thank you.